These are your rights during a traffic stop in Harris County. The fact of the matter is, when you've been pulled over by a police officer while trying to get to work or trying to get home from work, your rights do not automatically stop. They're not suspended. They continue throughout that encounter. It is absolutely okay to politely ask the officer, what's the reason for the stop? However, do not become argumentative on the side of the road. It will not do you any favors. Know your rights and know that you are going to remain as silent as possible, and that if needed, you will invoke your right to counsel. However, do not fight the officer on the reason for the stop. That is only going to escalate things. Instead, we want to de-escalate. We want to continue to be polite, and we want to remember that everything these days is recorded, whether it's on dash camera or body-worn camera footage. We want you to appear favorable, likable, and personable to a possible jury that may see this evidence down the road. Your rights don't stop just because you've been pulled over, no matter what that officer says. And if that officer asks to search your vehicle, you absolutely have the right to say no, and you don't have to feel bad about it. You have a Fourth Amendment right that states that you are not subject to unreasonable search and seizure. If the officer wants to go on a fishing expedition, that's his problem. You do not have to oblige him by saying, yes, search my vehicle. You can politely say, officer, I'm not going to consent to searches. I don't consent to searches to my vehicle in general, and I just think that I'd like to get on my way as soon as possible. My family's waiting for me at home. These are the polite ways that you can invoke your rights when it comes to a traffic stop. You don't have to feel bad for doing them. This is what people fight for every single day in courtrooms, and this is what our Constitution has created as your civil rights and liberties. Use them to your advantage. If you find yourself on the side of the road, stopped by a law enforcement officer, possibly with a citation or being arrested, feel free to give us a call at 281-805-2220. We're here to fight and help you.